Get a feel for the 2019 Nissan Altima. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, power driver seat. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.